How to replace the fuel filter on a John Deere 445. You might not give your fuel filter any thought until your John Deere 445 riding lawnmower stops performing well. The signs of a clogged fuel filter include erratic idling, inability to reach maximum power, or an engine that just won't start. The fuel filter is a cheap and easy thing to replace as you diagnose those engine problems. But it's also a good idea to replace the fuel filter regularly every year or two, depending on how much you use the machine. Things you will need: metal pan, rags, pliers, rubber or plastic gloves, fuel filter. Allow the engine to cool down completely. Open the hood. Locate the fuel filter. It is on the fuel line, midway between the gas tank and the carburetor. Place a metal pan onto the fuel filter to catch any gasoline drips. Clean the hoses around the fuel filter with a rag. Depress one of the clamps with pliers and slide the clamp away from the fuel filter. Repeat with the other clamp. Pull the filter and hoses apart with your gloved hands and a rag. Discard the old filter. Replace the new filter with the arrow pointing away from the gas tank, toward the carburetor. Slide the clamps into position beside the fuel filter. Remove the metal pan and close the hood.